नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं मुकेश चौधरी स्वागत करता हूं आपका अपने इस YouTube चैनल पे। दोस्तों, ये वीडियो उन बच्चों के लिए है जो एयरफोर्स का रिटर्न टेस्ट पास कर चुके हैं और सेकंड फेज़ में चले गए हैं। सेकंड फेज़ में आप सभी जानते हैं PFT होता है, SRT होता है और ग्रुप डिस्कशन होता है। इस वीडियो में मैं बात करूँगा ग्रुप डिस्कशन को कैसे पास किया जा सकता है। तो ग्रुप डिस्कशन में क्या होता है कि जब आप वहाँ जाते हैं, मान लीजिए कि आपके ग्रुप में 15 बच्चे हैं, तो 15 बच्चों के का जो प्रोसेस रहेगा वो कैसा रहेगा। सबसे पहले जब आप वहाँ जाएंगे तो आपको चेयर्स पर बैठा दिया जाएगा, चेस्ट नंबर आपके पास होंगे और वो क्या करते हैं कि आपको दो पेजेस देंगे। सब बच्चों को दो पेजेस दे दिए जाएंगे और एक जो ऑफिसर होगा वो किसी कंटेंट को रीड करेगा, यानी कि एक पेपर उनके पास होगा और वो उस पर कुछ कंटेंट जो लिखा हुआ है उसको रीड करेंगे। उस रीड जब वो करते हैं उस कंटेंट को, तो आपको अपने कुछ एक पेपर जो आपको 2 पेपर दिए गए हैं, उस एक पेपर पे आपको क्या करना है, आपके रफली पॉइंट्स बनाने हैं, कुछ फ्रेजेज लिखनी है, कुछ वर्ड्स लिखने हैं और आपको ये आइडेंटिफाई करना है, ये अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि आपका GD का टॉपिक क्या रहने वाला है आज। जब आप ये कर लेते हैं उसके बाद आपको वो टाइम देते हैं, मान लीजिए आपको 8 या 10 मिनट का वो टाइम देंगे और उस 8 या 10 मिनट के टाइम में आपको क्या करना है कि जो आपने पॉइंट्स लिखे हैं, जो आपने वर्ड्स लिखे हैं, फ्रेजेस लिखे हैं रफ़ में, उस रफ़ पेज में अब आप उनको फेयर तरीके से लिखेंगे। और वो लिखने के बाद आपको वो जब आपके 10 या 8 मिनट पूरे हो जाते हैं तो वो पेज आपको उनको सबमिट कराना पड़ेगा। उसके बाद आपको 2 मिनट दिए जाते हैं आपके टॉपिक को ब्रशअप करने के लिए। टॉपिक आपको समझ में आ चुका होता है कि टॉपिक हमारा क्या है। 2 मिनट के बाद जब ये प्रोसेस शुरू होती है आपकी, तो उसमें आपको क्या करना है कि आपको सबसे पहले आपको कहा जाएगा कि आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए और टॉपिक को नरेट कर दीजिए और इसमें आपको 1 मिनट का टाइम आपको दिया जाता है। जब ये प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो जाती है, यानी कि इसमें आपको बताना पड़ेगा अपना इंट्रोडक्शन, साथ में आप एयरफोर्स क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं और फिर आप टॉपिक का नरेशन कर देंगे। और जब ये प्रोसेस आपकी कंप्लीट हो जाती है उसके बाद आपको फिर 1-2 मिनट दिए जाते हैं ताकि आप अपने टॉपिक को ब्रशअप कर सकें और फिर आपकी GD शुरू हो जाती है। GD जब आप कर रहे होते हैं तो आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा कि आपको अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बना करके रखना है। आइडियाज़ अब आपके पास होने चाहिए क्योंकि आपने कंटेंट को सुन लिया है, साथ में आपने पॉइंट्स भी बना लिए हैं। तो आई कांटेक्ट रखें, कंटेंट पे कमांड रखें। कंटेंट यदि आपको बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर है तो आप शुरुआत करें बोलने की, पहले दूसरे तीसरे स्पीकर आप बने। यदि आपको लग रहा है कि यार मेरे को थोड़ा कंटेंट कम समझ में आया है तो कोई नहीं, लेट अदर स्पीक एंड गेट सम आइडियाज़ फ्रॉम द पीपल। उन लोगों से अपने आइडियाज़ गेट करें। आई कांटेक्ट बना करके रखें, स्माइलिंग फेस रखें, डोमिनेंस करने की कोशिश ना करें, ठीक है। एग्रेसिव नहीं होना है, रिलैक्स होकर के बिल्कुल आराम के साथ आप GD पास कर सकते हैं। तो ये जो है ना पूरी प्रोसेस आपकी GD की रहेगी। तो आराम से रिलैक्स माइंड के साथ, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ आप जाएं और आप GD को पास करें। अब मैं आपको एक छोटा सा वीडियो इसमें दिखाऊंगा। हमने 5 बच्चों को लेकर के एक छोटा सा वीडियो बनाया है जिसमें आप देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से बच्चे जो हैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं और टॉपिक को नरेट करते हैं और उसके बाद वो GD करते हैं। ये 3 प्रोसेस को आपको समझना पड़ेगा। बाकी की जो प्रोसेस वो मैंने आपको समझा दी है, लेकिन ये 3 प्रोसेस देखें कि किस तरीके से इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं, टॉपिक को नरेट करते हैं और ग्रुप डिस्कशन करते हैं। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच, गुड लक, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
Jain friends, my name is Rahul Parikh. I am 19 years old. I am from Churu district, which is famous because of silver bomb during the war. There are 4 members in my family. First, my father Sri Dwarka Prasad. He is a farmer. Second, my mother Sri Kesar Devi. She is a housewife and loving and caring. We are 2 siblings. I can accommodate myself in any kind of situation. My hobby is playing cricket and little time I am playing chess. I want to join Indian Force because this job is full of adventures and get opportunity to travel all parts of country. This is all about me. Now our GD topic is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. We know that our society is a male-dominated society. The generation is not an opportunity to do children in girls in comparison to boys, and they are a lack of awareness for Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. So our
Jain friends, my name is Vijendra. I am 20 years old. I belong to Hanumangarh, Rajasthan, which is famous for temple and Kalibanga civilization. I have done my 12th and pursuing in BSc. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I can accommodate myself in any kind of situation. I like to reading books and traveling. I want to join Indian Air Force because this job is full of adventures and give us opportunity to travel all over the India and all above my love for aircraft. Today our GD topic is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Abhiyan is launched by Indian government in 2015. Its main motive to improve the girls condition in our society because our society is a male dominated society and not give education to girls rights.
Next.
Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar. I am from Jhunjhunu in Rajasthan, which is famous for soldiers and martyrs. I have passed my 12th class from RBSc board. Now I am pursuing BSc from Sekhat University. My hobby is to playing outdoor game. My favorite game is Kabaddi. We are 4 members in our family. My father name is Mansaram. He is a driver. My mother name is Suman Devi. She is a housewife and we are 2 siblings. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a direct service to my motherland. I can accommodate myself in any kind of situation. Today our GD topic is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. It is a campaign launched by our government on 22nd January 2015 and main motive is to give equal right to the women and improvement of women, and we can see that it is started from Haryana and because there is.
Yes, hello my friends, my name is Manish. I am from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan, which is famous for Kalibanga civilization. I have passed my 12th from RBSc board. Now I am pursuing my BSc. My father name is Balram. He is a farmer. I can accommodate myself in any kind of situation. I am fitness freak and love gymming. My dream is join Indian Air Force because this job is full of adventure and getting opportunity to travel all part of India. And it is direct service to motherland and above all my love for aircraft. Today our GD topic is Beti Bachao Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. It is a campaign launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2nd January 2015. It is increase our sex ratio in India.
Next.
Jain friends, my name is Rakesh. I am 20 years old. I am from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan, which is famous for Kalibanga Indus Valley civilization. I have done my 12th with RBS board and now I am pursuing BSc final. There are 4 members of my family. First, my father, he is a farmer, and second, my mother, she is housewife. We are 2 siblings. I can accommodate myself in any kind of situation. I am fitness freak and I love gymming and I playing badminton. I am going to join Indian Air Force because this job is full of adventure and give opportunity to serve my nation and travel all parts of India. This job is directly related to our motherland. And today our GD topic is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a campaign which is launched by our Prime Minister in 22nd January 2015. It is the main motive of the campaign. The sex ratio has been changed and increased in our India 943.
Okay. Now you are given 1 minute to brush up your topic. Then we'll start GD, right?
Okay.
Okay, now start the topic.
Beti Bachao Beti Padhao
is
is
launched by Prime Minister in 22nd January in the Panipat, Haryana. It is the main motive of this campaign is the change in men empowerment and the sex ratio in India.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. And we can see that in India there are many states where the sex ratio is high, like Kerala. And here the sex ratio is 1084, and in some part of India the sex ratio is very low, like Haryana. So there is a huge problem to find out spouses for male candidate because there is a lack of sex ratio, and this problem not only in Haryana, it is in some part of Delhi and some part of Rajasthan.
Yes,
so if we have to increase this kind of sex ratio, so because of this program is launched.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. The main motive of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, they increase the sex ratio. We know that in rural area, because of lack of awareness, people could not opportunity to girls in comparison to the boys.
Yes, my friend, girls are not get opportunity to comparison boys, but this campaign is launched when then.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. And the main motive of this program is to empowerment of the women, because we can see that in developed nation there is a equality between both boys and girls, and they have equal responsibility towards their nation. So because of this reason, our government also trying this kind of schemes by which girls also get equal education with the boys.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Abhiyan is launched by Indian government in 2015. Its main motive to educate girls and increase the sex ratios. We know that for a developing nation, it is necessary that girls and boys have equal education and equal rights for their nations. And in our rural area, lack of awareness, people are not sending their girls in for higher education, and it's very bad for our societies.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. The present time, the sex ratio has been changed and increased by the campaign of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Now, at present time, the sex ratio has been 1023 to per women to per 1000 men. The sex ratio has been changed by the
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. And we can see that in rural areas of India, there is a mentality of all people. And they did not give equal chance to the girls. And they think that the boys is only the person who give importance to the parents. So they did not give equal education to the boys. And after 10th and 12th, they have to removed from schools and not sent to the higher education in the cities. Only boys are give permission to for higher study. So it is not good for our society, because in our society there is a right of equality should be given to the girls and to the boys also.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. In rural areas, the people kill the girls before the that it is kill the humanity. So government launching the again campaign that if girls is here, there is future, and both are equal for us.
Yes, my friend, ancient era, girls was killed by men, and
yes, my friend, I am agree with you. And many new rules are.
But in modern this scheme, by this scheme, government get awareness in rural area to born the girls in their homes. They friends.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. The government should try to be. There are many campaigns and there are many. The government's launched the app Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. The main motive of the app is the educated women and the educated of the women empowerment. So we can change by this campaign.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. And in ancient time, the people kill the girl in their mother's womb. But after some time, the government has launched that female foeticide is mainly prohibited. If it is done by anyone, then he has it is accused as a crime, and so they have to face many kind of problem. And this is the reason. That's why the sex ratio is decreased a lot.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. Nowadays, girl immunity are increased the many opportunity in every field, like plays, movies, and extra.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. As we can say that when they launched the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Abhiyan, the sex ratio is 900 to 20 per 1,000 boys. But now we can say that the India's sex ratio is 1,020 per 1,000 boys. So it's very helpful for.
Conclude the topic.
In my point of view, for a developing nation, it is necessary that both boys and girls have equal responsibility towards our nation. So it is a good program launched by our government to improve this the condition of girls and women in our society.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. As we can say, for a developing nation, it is necessary that women and boys have equal rights and equal education. So it's good for our country.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. This campaign is very main role play in your for the girls and the women.